Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to use Google Docs. So let's get started. So Google Docs is a powerful tool by Google. So here you have to go to the Google's Docs website to use. Then here you have to make sure you have signed in with your account. Then here you have to click on this as your blank account document or file, and then here you have to go, and from here you can rename the file. So for example, here I am renaming the file as example. Okay, then here we can see the blank page. So in here you can write, so for example, here I am writing as I am John. So here we can see. So first we can see here we can just make the title. You can see you can make it like a title. If you want to change the font, for example like this, like lobster, you can change into times. Whichever you want you can change it into. So here we can see now we can just decrease or increase the font size. So here we can just decrease it. If you want you can increase it as well. From here you can bold the text. So like this you can make it bold. From here you can make it italic in the font, and if you want to underline this text you can click on this here and you can make a underline as well. From this button you can change the text color. For example, if I want to change it into red, you can see. Then here you can highlight also. For example, I want to highlight this as John, so I will click on this and highlight this as well. So if you want to insert a link into John, so here we will just highlight this and then you have to click on this here, and then here you can paste the link. So here I am writing like google.com. Then you can apply, you can make your customized link from here, and if you click on this text you can see the link is coming. So we will click on here and we will redirect it to this link. So if you click on this three dot you have more options. So from here you can change the alignment of this font. So here we can do in the center, we can do the left, or we can do it as justify. From here you can do the spacing, and these are the many other same tools. So let's go here. So from this button insert, you can insert the picture or a table, or you can insert a drawing or make a chart. Like here you can see like I'm inserting a bar, and then here you can edit it via your table data. Then here you can use some tools also. For example, if I want to check the grammar spelling, so I will just click on here and you can see grammar suggestions as well. So if I write anything wrong it can correct also. If you click on here same, you can count the word also. So here we can see the word characters and other things, so you can click on OK. If you click it again, then here we can see review the suggestion edits. We can do many other things. So if you click on this format you can see the text, same thing here. Then you can style the heading. So headings are of 6 types here, like heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, heading 4, heading 5 and heading 6. So if you want to apply heading 6, just click on this here and you can see the heading 6 at here. So if you want to align this, for example if I want to do it center, I will just click on here, and the font is too small so I will just increase it. So you can see it's like 30, about 30. Then you will click on this format again, and from here you can make a bullet point also. So if I want to make a bullet like this, I will just click on this here, and if you click on enter then you can see there are like here bullets available. So for example if I write second point as like I am feeling good, So this is here, you can see. Then click on again format, and if I don't want to highlight this, so I will just click on here and click on this highlight. I will click like none. Then here I can just change the font color as well. If I want to like make it bold, I can make it bold also. And I don't want italic, so I will like do like click on this italic again, so it will be by reversed. You can click on this format again, and then here you can make the header footer also. So if you want to make it like this, like header this much centimeter and footer this much centimeter, click on this apply, and then it will be made. So by this way you can make it the header footer. Then if you want page numbers, so we click on here. So from here you can click on start. So here you can see the page number 1. If you want like next page, for example, if I go here, if I click on enter, then here you can see the page 2. So by this way you can create the page number also. So here we can see the page orientation. If you click here, then we can do the page like it will be orientated. So by this way you can do it. And if you see more tools, like here you can see decrease indent and increase indent here, then you can clear the formatting also if you want to, and do many other things. If you want to edit something, you can, from here you can do undo and redo. You can do undo like this, and if you want to do it redo like this, you can do. So if you see more option like view, so from here you can like set it like in editing mode, suggestion mode, or viewing mode. For example, if you want to share this file, click on this share it here, then click on this, and from here you can like set the name. So here I have set the name as example. Then click on the save option, and from here you have to go click on anyone. Then here you can click on copy link, and you can share with your friend or anyone here. So if someone opens it like this, he or she can copy, and then you can open and view this file. If you want to give them editing access, so you can click on the share again, and from here you can change the role as editor also, and then you can do done, and now the person can also edit the file from here. So this is how to use the Google Docs. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for your watching.